When beginners struggle with drawing, it is rarely because they lack talent. Most of the time, the real issue is tension. Tension in the hand, tension in the shoulders, tension in the mind. Loose drawing means allowing your hand to move without constant stopping and checking. It does not mean careless, it means continuous. There is one simple idea behind this. Your eyes guide the movement, not your thoughts. When you stop thinking about fixing lines and let your eyes lead, your hand naturally relaxes. This idea has a few simple parts. First, movement creates flow. When your hand keeps moving, it does not have time to overjudge every line. Second, stopping increases pressure. Each pause gives your mind a chance to criticize what you just did. Third, erasing reinforces fear. Every erase tells your hand that mistakes are dangerous, even though they are part of learning. Imagine watching someone write their name. They do not stop after every letter, they move through it. Drawing can work the same way when you let it. When you draw loosely, you are not trying to capture perfection. You are capturing observation. You are noticing shapes, edges, and directions while your hand stays in motion. Here is how we will do this together. First, we will understand why loose drawings help beginners feel calmer. Next, we will practice continuous movement with one object. Finally, we will let go of control and allow the drawing to be what it is. This three-part flow works because it removes pressure in layers. Each part builds trust between your eyes and your hand. Keep this simple idea in mind as we move forward. Loose drawing is about allowing movement, not forcing results. If this idea brought a bit of relief and things finally made sense, you can keep going with me in the full step-by-step version where I guide you slowly with real examples from start to finish. You can take the whole class free for a month using my link below. And it continues right from here so you don't lose your momentum. Plus, you'll get access to thousands of other creative classes for a month, including beginner drawing and creative habits. Before you go, feel free to leave a quick comment. Even one word like clear or helpful really helps more beginners discover this video. And if you have any questions at all, you are always welcome to ask. Thank you so much for watching, and if this helped, you can gently like the video, share it with someone who might need a calmer start with drawing, and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.